Hey guys, it's Greg again. I was going to go over AAVE coin with you guys, take a look at the coin, see what's going on with it. I have on my screen here this guy, FTM OG. He's if you can just read that on there for yourself. Guy's getting pretty upset. Typical behavior for a bearish cycle, I think. FTM was a coin I was super bullish on. And long term, I still am super bullish on that. This guy's right here. I think he's having maybe some doubts long term on his coin, but I go here to pick our FTM guys and show you something. Okay, super bullish on this coin. I was bullish here too. I was in it. I went back into FTM right here because of this move. You take out the wick. It was a risky move. I took the risk on this pump, and then I think it pumped pumped back up to $3.70. So what I did is I exited out. My last exit on Phantom was $2.90. Okay, guys, and at that point I was like, man, this coin is just going to drop. So I was talking to some guys, and I said, look, man, Phantom is going to be going down to. It was $2.60, and then it's going to go down to, I said, low $2. And they didn't believe that. I said, how do you know that? I said, I'm looking at the chart. You have the same chart that I have. And then I said, it's going to go under $2. And then I said $1.60. And you can go back and check it. There's people that know that I've said this. I said it in the videos. And then I said it's going to be going near $1. And then I said 80 cents. And then I said, okay, it's going to 50 cents. And here we are sitting at 40 cents. And people are like, Greg, well, how did you know that? I said, I looked at the charts, guys. So it's the charts. It wasn't any super skill or anything. It was just the charts were telling me it's going to be going down. You just take a look at that. And then the massive wave run that it did. And if you look at Phantom, this massive wave run that it did right here to there, it's just common sense to tell you, hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's got to correct that cycle. So that's it. I'll let you guys know that. But the sentiment that's in the market, because guys like this, are second guessing and having doubts, should have exited out at the $2 or $2.50, $3, and not have to worry about this, and just sit back and have a bag of popcorn, watch it fall if you don't want to short it, and then go back in. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Anyhow, I want to go over AAVE, guys. Sorry about that rant. I don't mean to rant too much there on this stuff. So, people that are following me, I wasn't in YouTube yet at that point with Phantom, but I kind of wish that I was, and I could have saved some people maybe a lot of money. And it would have been nice. I like to hear people, hey, Greg, man, you saved me a lot of hassle and a lot of money. That's what I hear. That's the point of the YouTube channel. Okay, save people from huge losses and make gains. That's it. That's what a YouTube channel should be about. But remember, some of them are not interested in your gains. They're interested in only their own gains, which is to be expected. It shouldn't be a surprise for anybody. Here's AAVE. It's on a pump. Look at that. Nice 8% pump today. I think it was 9% earlier. But this is one thing I'll let you guys know about AAVE. That's important. Limited supply. You know what that means? In a bullish move, it could really pump. And it had a really good pump a month or two ago. It went nuts. It was a really nice pump. And on the Twitter, let me go to its Twitter. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's Twitter. They have a lot of followers, almost 500,000 followers. So a very popular coin. I don't have any issues with AAVE, guys. It's just in a correction right now. So I'm going to go over the bullish scenario and also the bearish scenario with AAVE. Okay. And let me take that off, and AAVE's scenario. So going over the coin and its move, let you guys know it had a massive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and impulse up from about 27 all the way up to 600, over $600. Massive move. Massive. Look at that. Just a moonshot. Now, I'll let you guys know, those guys that familiar with Elliott waves, this is an ending diagonal. In ending diagonals, not only do you have this right here, this bearish divergence, massive amount of bearish divergence. Did you have that? That would have been your cue to exit out. But also too, when you see ending diagonals, they are, according to, if you read about Elliott waves, they will say in Elliott wave theory that these mean there's a very abrupt drop after the ending diagonal. And in the case of AAVE, this holds true so far. So that you guys know, you see a massive third wave and then you start seeing an ending diagonal in there, you should know that, okay, let me get up there as good as I can and get out. So get out. Don't hold altcoins long-term, guys. That's another part of this channel is I don't recommend people going into coins, altcoins, and using them as a long-term investment. There's only two. Bitcoin could be one, but you could still trade Bitcoin because Bitcoin is going, if it completes a fifth wave, it's going to go up to, let's say, $90,000. You know what Bitcoin is going to do once it's done with that fifth wave? It's going to go right back down to where it is right now. You know, so what was the point? Okay, I bought Bitcoin at 20K. I'm going to ride it up to 90. I'm going to hold it long term in a retirement portfolio to go back down to 20. You know, so just think about that for a second, guys. That's how volatile Bitcoin is going to be. The next, if it goes on that fifth wave move, Bitcoin's going on this fifth wave move like this, up a 5-wave move. The next one is going to be very abrupt down. So anyhow, I went off on that one too. Let me go back to AAVE. I put this together on this 3-wave move. X wave, a 3-wave move, X wave. This is the general area I'm looking. So this is like a W, X, and then down for a Y. It already pierced the 618, which is good. The 50%, the 618, which is good. And if you look at down here, that RSI on this area, that's good. It took everything out. That has a good sign that, you know, maybe that's a bottom. I don't think so. I think Bitcoin's going to be going up and swinging back down and bring AAVE with it. So the next area I would be looking for this coin is right in this area, the 65 previous low and down to 51, the $50 range for AAVE for it to be bullish and complete its second wave correction. So this is what AAVE would be doing if that's the completion of its second wave correction. So that would be 1, and then over here be a 2, and then go into a 3, 4, 5. Okay. And I have a target up here. If it does do this, a conservative target for AAVE, this previous high 668. If it goes into this third wave, a $900 to $1,000, it should be able to do that with Bitcoin, Ethereum, the crypto market bullish. That's just an area, first area target to look for. Okay, so that's the bullish move with AAVE. So there's 2 theories going on, a couple theories or 3 theories going on right now with the traditional finance markets, the crypto market, and what's going on with QT, QE, and everything. The first one is we're going into a bear market right now. And I'll go over that count on AAVE. The second one is that we have one more leg up, okay? And then it's a massive bear market. I'm in that camp right now until proven otherwise. The third one is that this is going to be a massive corrective wave up, and then we're going into the bear market, okay? So those are your 3 areas of what could be happening with a, let me go to use my, my line. Oh, I don't have it on here. I was just trying to use something on here. Anyhow, forget about it. I'm not too used to CoinTrader Pro. Let me go over to this chart. I'll show you guys over here in this chart. Something like let me clean this up. So, couple theories. I'll show it to you in this type of move. What's some people think is going on. So with say like Bitcoin, Bitcoin has a move like this, okay? It did this third wave, and then it's going in the fourth, and there's one more move for Bitcoin to do that, and then that's a recession. So we're right here, Bitcoin goes up, and then bam, we're going into that, and with all the rest of markets. Now there's the other theory that it's just going up correctively, and then boom, we're going into a serious bear market. That's that theory. And then the last one is that this is just you know, here, and then, you know, it's just boom, like that, all the way down to the depth. So those are the couple other theories I wanted to show you guys. I'm of the theory that AAVE is going to do this, come down, maybe do a second wave to the 786, the 886, and then do a massive wave run over here. That's what I believe, think, based off the data until proven otherwise. So let's get to this and then see what happens. Now, if it's bearish, AAVE is going to just continue to do a move like this, guys. It'll just do bounces. So if you're a bear, you can have AAVE come down to here, it'll bounce, and then it's going to go down to there and probably do another one and bounce and then come down here. And eventually AAVE will probably be in these areas and hang out here for a year, 2 years, or however long that's going to last in that area. Now, what's devastating for AAVE is if it breaches this previous low that I have right here on this trend line. If it breaches that, this whole bullish count is gone, and then AAVE is starting from scratch to get back out of there and then do a shot out of here on the next bull cycle. So this move will be devastating for AAVE. I don't think that that's going to happen, but it could. It could. If you're a bear, that's what you want to happen. And AAVE, ultimately, the end of it will not be good for any of its price action. It'd just be down here. A bear market, starting from now, the best case is it keeps the lows and it just hangs out in there and just makes moves like this down in there for AAVE. And then eventually during the next bull cycle, it could take off. And the ultimate, bearish case is that it breaches that, and then it's down here, and then it could just keep swinging down and get nearer to $1. And depending on the situation with AAVE and the use case and stuff, it could go it could go to zero, guys. So just to let you know that's my case analysis, technical analysis on AAVE. Present the bullish case, present the bearish case, and the really bearish case. Thanks for watching. Peace.